Okay, so here's the bonus section I was telling you about where I set myself up with the super yacht in a head-on situation. In an appropriate, safe manner. We were both going slowly. We were at a range of about 2 miles initially. And what does the rule say? Look, Rule 14, head-on situation when two power-driven vessels, I was under power, he was under power, are meeting on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal courses so as to involve risk of collision. Each shall alter her course to starboard. Each shall alter her course to starboard, so that each shall pass on the port side of the other. Notice in the rule, it does not say the bigger vessel shall keep going and the little one should get out of the way. It says each shall alter her course to starboard. And so I really want you to be very confident in dispelling this whole myth of might has right and power has whatever, the bigger right of way. The bigger vessel has a right of way. It's absolutely not the case. If you're not in a traffic separation scheme, if you're not in a narrow channel, if the other vessel is not fishing, if the other vessel is not restricted in its ability to maneuver or constrained by its draft, if it's just a regular power-driven vessel, it doesn't matter how big it is, he is equally burdened to take the action just the same as you in this head-on situation. So let's see what this looks like in the sequence. All right, so here it is. Here's the super yacht. We're now at a range of just about a mile, I think it was. And so at this stage, I make my intentions clear with my alteration of course to starboard. I did about 20 degrees. I placed him on my opposite bow so that when he is observing me visually or by radar, it is completely obvious to him what I have done. He very courteously did the same thing. And so as the sequence progresses, you'll see there he goes, passing now down my port side. I'm on his port side. And look, with 2 clicks of the autopilot, 20 degrees, I can return to my base course, heading back down to Dubrovnik as he passes at a totally clear, safe, and appropriate distance. And wow, what a beautiful super yacht it was. Look at that. So again, might does not have right. 2 power-driven vessels altered course and passed at a safe distance.